Good morning, all of you. Audio, video clear? Yes. Welcome, all of you. Today we are starting the new batch also. Many new students joined, I guess. Audio, video clear, enough? So, the next 3 lectures will be discussion of the latest question paper. CSIR exam 2 weeks back, exam got completed. वो exam का discussion होगा अभी and after completing the discussion, we'll be discussing topic by topic. All of you make sure the raise hand feature is for you to ask your doubt through the audio. Doubts chat से पूछना है तो directly you can ask the doubts through the chat. Raise hand feature click किया तो आपका microphone use करके आपको doubt पूछ सकता है. That is what raise hand feature is for. And when you are using raise hand feature, please confirm in the chat so that I can understand that the raise hand feature is not clicked by mistake. And I can answer you. Okay, so ये है CSIR-NET complete course. So the previous year question discussion, that is 2025 previous year question discussion, I'm giving access to those students who want to try this course as a demo video also. So for the new students who are trying this course as a demo video, it's a complete course for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. इसमें live classes होगा, recordings होगा, mock test होगा, study material होगा, doubt clearing sessions होगा. Live classes almost 60 live lectures होगा. In the next 4 months we'll be completing the live classes. और सारा lectures का recordings भी आपको available है. Recordings you can watch any number of times according to the subscription period you are choosing, whether it is 4 months, 6 months or 1 year subscription. Or study materials include 60 class notes, 60 practice worksheets, 100 flashcards for revision. हर week में weekly test होगा when we start the topic by topic discussions. And 10 mock test होगा, full length mock test for general aptitude section, और वो mock test का video solutions भी provide होगा. There will be 15 shortcut approaches by which I will be teaching you. Exam hacks, tips and tricks, etc. are also discussed in these lectures. Detailed theory of all topics you will be getting. Last 14-year previous year question, including the latest previous year question, which we are going to discuss today also. Today we are discussing year-wise, I mean 2025 ka subject by subject, all subject ka aptitude papers we are discussing. But topic by topic, these questions will be again discussed in the corresponding topic. That will be done. Mock test again, after all the topics are completed, you can take it according to your time only. Mock test already uploaded, but what I will suggest you is go through the topics, complete the topics, then go for the mock test. Mock test और उसका video solutions already आपका course page में visible है. ये complete course है. All the things in a single course you are getting. That is what complete course means. Live classes, recording, mock test, flashcards, study materials, doubt clearing session, सब इसमें included है. Whatever needed for CSIR-NET General Aptitude is included in this. You don't have to refer any other material after attending the CSIR-NET live complete course for General Aptitude. New students, this is more about me. I am the author of the bestseller book for CSIR-NET General Aptitude. The book name is CSIR-NET General Aptitude, a New Outlook. The latest 7th edition is available in Amazon and Flipkart. Those of you want the printed material, you can purchase this from Amazon and Flipkart. Or new students, if you are not aware, you can attend class not only in mobile, you can attend the class through laptop also. Laptop पे attend करने के लिए you can visit this website christysclasses.in. Log in with the same mobile number using the OTP to the same mobile number. You can log in and attend the class through the laptop also. And ये course सारा streams के लिए common है, life science, mathematical science, physical science, chemical science and earth science, because सारा streams के लिए aptitude section same है. Please understand this. I'm telling this for many years, but some students still don't believe it. And the funny thing is, this time also, even today we are discussing physical science aptitude paper. That physical science aptitude paper had 2 questions repeated from earlier life science, mathematical science, chemical science papers. That's why I'm saying, Sarah. And the chances of other subjects aptitude question repeated in your subject is more than your own subject aptitude question repeated in your paper. So please practice not only your subjects, more importantly, other subject aptitude previous year questions also, please practice. So in this course, I will show you questions. As for all subject aptitude paper, they all are similar. And it is not like some people think that मैथमेटिकल साइंस स्टूडेंट्स है तो उसका डिफिकल्टी लेवल ज्यादा होगा. इस बार मैथमेटिकल साइंस का पेपर का डिफिकल्टी वाज द लीस्ट इन 2025 Feb and March exam. The easiest paper was mathematical science general aptitude paper. I have discussed that already in this course. You can check it out, then you will understand. Chemical science paper was little more trickier this time. Physical science was also comparatively easy. Life science was also comparatively easy. Earth science was also comparatively easy. Chemical science, little higher, but still easy paper. This week, what are the days we have class? Shashikala, Monday to Friday, 3 days will be the class normally. This week, most probably today, Tuesday, and Thursday. I'll let you know if there is any change. And new students, if you are not aware, you can be part of these resources. And those of you are part of this course, you can be part of the dedicated WhatsApp group and Telegram group. वो dedicated WhatsApp group and Telegram group access करने के लिए announcement section check करिए ये course page में. Announcement section में the link to join the WhatsApp group and Telegram group is given. Through that, you can join the group. And there are other courses also. Let me tell you, there is GATE General Aptitude Complete course. And if you want to join the GATE General Aptitude Complete course, there will be a 50% combo offer for you. You don't have to pay this full amount. You just have to pay 1,250 rupees. 1 year course. This is 1 year course for GATE 2026. If you are preparing for GATE exam, if you are part of the CSIR-NET Live Complete course, then automatically you got a coupon code. You can see that when you click on this course. अवेलेबल कूपन कोड में गेट CSIR कॉम्बो नाम के कूपन कोड दिखेगा. वो अप्लाई करने वक्त द प्राइस विल जस्ट हाफ प्राइस विल डिक्रीज टू हाफ प्राइस. So this is the GATE complete course. Recorded courses भी है, but offer is only for this live course. So ये live course का price almost very less होगा और comparable होगा recorded course से. So you can be part of this course. वो भी 1 year course access के साथ होगा. GATE, as you know, GATE General Aptitude, CSIR General Aptitude, some topics are same, some topics are different. For example, verbal aptitude GATE में extra है, CSIR में verbal aptitude नहीं है. And functions, algebra related few topics GATE exam में extra है. CSIR में general science extra है. So changes, difference are there. Some topics are similar also. Similar topics, it can complement each other, but non-similar topics you have to learn extra. So for that, this course will help you. And verbal aptitude, if you fear the English part in GATE exam, verbal aptitude के लिए we have many initiatives as part of this course. Word of the day, vocabulary builder initiatives are there. Comprehension कैसा fastly करना है उसका कुछ specific very unique techniques I will be teaching, etc. Okay, so that is the introduction for all the new students, because I know today many new students have joined. This is the details of the GATE 2026 live complete course. Just like CSIR, GATE complete course में everything you need for GATE General Aptitude is there in a single course. That's why the name is complete course. Any other doubts, new students? और कुछ doubt है तो पूछिए. नहीं है तो we will start our discussion today. So today we are discussing the third paper, that is Physical Science General Aptitude paper. This paper में blood relation का 2 questions were there. Blood relation ka 2 questions. We'll start with that. All questions I haven't seen. Some questions we'll discuss in the class. I will also be seeing that question in the class itself. Some of the questions I have seen already. Ye question try kariye all of you. And this paper may be some of the questions which I have taught directly in the class. Dicto same question got repeated. So I'll show you those questions also. Make a try this one. Blood relation tree का concept I have told multiple times to previous students. उसका concept clear है तो ये question बहुत ही simple है. All of you try one more minute. Okay, so I'll explain. So new students, this is from the chapter blood relation. Blood relation we'll be discussing in detail in the upcoming lectures. So now I'm just doing a primary analysis just to give you confidence. What all were the questions asked in 2025 exam and how we already have covered all these areas as part of the, as part of the curriculum design. All these topics are already added. So ये ब्लड रिलेशन टॉपिक का क्वेश्चन है. इसमें ब्लड रिलेशन ट्री कैसा ड्रॉ करना है, दैट इज अ इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. These are the rules or these are the symbols I will be using. If the person is female, I will denote by a circle. Male है तो rectangle या square. Spouses means husband wife relation, marital relation, double line से denote करेगा. Siblings, brother और sister है तो single line से denote करेगा. Vertical line से father son, father daughter, mother son, mother daughter, ऐसा relation, parent child relation denote करेगा. उसका example यहाँ दिया है. In the blood relation chapter we will learn further. So A is B's daughter means A is daughter matlab female of B. So B should be in a higher generation. A should be in a lower generation. B is C's brother. So B is C's brother. So B brother है, so male है. C brother है, sorry female है, male है, we don't know. So ब्रदर के लिए सिंगल लाइन से डिनोट किया है. एंड डी इज सीज फादर. डी इज सीज फादर मींस हायर जनरेशन. डी इज फादर मींस मेल. सी का जेंडर अभी भी पता नहीं है. मतलब डी इज सीज फादर मींस डी इज फादर ऑफ बी ऑल्सो, क्योंकि बी एंड सी सिबलिंग्स है ना. योर ब्रदर्स फादर इज योर फादर, योर सिस्टर्स फादर इज योर फादर. नाउ देन व्हाट इज ए टू डी. ए डी का कौन है? ग्रैंडफादर है, ग्रैंडमदर है, ग्रैंडसन है, ग्रैंडडॉटर है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ए फीमेल है, सो ग्रैंडडॉटर, ग्रैंडमदर, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडसन eliminated. Now A is in the lower generation, so clearly granddaughter makes sense, grandmother not. D is grandmother of A. A is grandmother of D. Don't get confused with that. Question is asking A to D. D to A है तो grandfather होगा आंसर. सबको क्लियर है ना? बहुत ही सिंपल है ना? Please respond. Is this clear or not? February 2000, when I'm saying February 2025, few subjects exam got completed on March 2nd, 3rd. But for convenience, I'm calling February exam. 2025 का first exam. Clear है ना? सबको clear है ना? Many of you got the answer already. Wonderful. So that is the power of blood relation tree, and the same question paper had one more question on blood relation tree. यहाँ पे tree draw नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा. So try this. Same question paper had one more question on this topic. Carefully try it. Shashikala, I will explain. Just wait. Everyone, please try. If you're not getting, don't worry. I will help you out. The time you're getting to try, that is important, because when you try yourself only, you will understand the challenges. If you're not even understanding how to start, that is okay. But read the question again and again. Okay, I will explain. Some of you got an answer. If Asha's mother is Tanisha's daughter's aunt, here some of you may have opinion. Asha means a female person, Tanisha means a female person. Not necessary. Unless mentioned in the question, don't just assume according to the names that you know. In some question, that assumption won't create a problem, but in some question, that can create a problem. So here, just because Asha sounds like a female name, or we have heard Asha as the name of a female, don't assume so now. Asha's mother is Tanisha. So Asha's mother, there is a female person. Mother, so female. So Asha's mother, I'm calling M. M for mother. Mother is Tanisha's daughter's aunt. So Tanisha, female or male, we don't know. So I'm assuming Tanisha here. So Tanisha's daughter. So D for daughter, female hona chahiye. Daughter's aunt. So whose aunt? Parents' sister is aunt. Parent sister-in-law is also aunt. So this daughter's aunt means daughter's mother is Tanisha. So Tanisha's sister can be this person's aunt, or Tanisha's husband's sister can also be this person's aunt. So both are possible. Now Tanisha has no nephew. Nephew, niece, again we have separate slides to understand nephew, niece and all, in case you have no clarity on nephew, niece. Nephew means what? Nephew means what? Sibling son is nephew. This person's sister's son is nephew. Brother's son is also nephew. Sister's daughter is niece. Sister's brother's daughter is also niece. So sibling's daughter is niece. Sibling's son is nephew. Sibling means that can be for a female person also, for a male person also. For blood relation chapter ka topic hai, when we discuss the theory, I will define each of the relationship. Sibling kaun hai, spouse kaun hai, aunt kaun hai, uncle kaun hai. How many types of uncles are there? That's a funny thing about English. English are very limited names for uncle, aunt and all, or almost all relationships. For us, maybe for in Indian context, father's elder brother is called by a particular name, father's younger brother another name, mother's elder brother one name, mother's younger brother another name, mother's brother-in-law another name, father's brother-in-law another name. लेकिन इंग्लिश में ये सब uncles है, uncles. Okay, anyway, that is another topic. That all we will define in blood relation chapter properly. So don't worry, in our chapter we will be discussing this. Okay, anyway, Tanisha has no nephew means Tanisha's sibling have no male child. No male child. Then Asha is Tanisha's. Asha can be, again, here option is not there, cannot be uniquely determined. Then that could have been answer, because we can't be sure Asha is nephew or niece only. There are other possibility also. Anyway, Asha will not be mother. Mother means higher generation. Grandmother, next to next generation. Asha is below generation for sure. Sister, no, same generation होना चाहिए. तो ये तीन option eliminated है. Niece होना possible है. कब? Tanisha's sister is this mother, this Asha's mother, and that mother's daughter is Asha. आशा being female is possible क्योंकि nephew नहीं है तो niece होना possible है. So Asha can be female. So niece is the correct answer. In my opinion, Asha can be Tanisha's. That could have been a better term. But option elimination से confirm कर सकता है, इसलिए second option is the best choice. Clear है ना सबको? Please respond. So another blood relation question asked in the same paper. Then try this question. This is a question that I'm teaching for many years. They just repeated that once again. Meenal, there is doubt on previous question. Sure, I will repeat. I will tell a situation so that you will understand this better. Asha's mother, we will make it personal. Asha be a female person, assume it. And Asha's mother, I will call mom itself. Asha's mother is Tanisha's daughter. So Tanisha's daughter, I will call daughter DR. Tanisha's daughter's aunt. So daughter's mother, Tanisha's daughter's mother is Tanisha. वो Tanisha's sister, ये daughter का aunt होगा ना. Tanisha's daughter का aunt होगा. Tanisha's sister, that is mother of Asha. मतलब Tanisha and Asha's mother are siblings. This is an example I'm telling. There are many other diagrams possible, many other scenarios possible. लेकिन ये नीड सेटिस्फाई करने वाला एक एग्जाम्पल में बता रहा है. तनीषा सिस्टर इज आशा's मदर. मतलब तनीषा सिस्टर्स मदर इज तनीषा sister's daughter is Asha. Tanisha's sister's daughter is Asha means Asha is niece of Tanisha. Asha nephew भी हो सकता है, but Tanisha has no nephew लिखा है. That's why niece is the correct answer. और option में nephew नहीं है. Is it clear now? Yes, Shashikala, quite confusing. That I will clear in the blood relation chapter. Don't worry. So let's go to the next question. This question, I am teaching this question for many years, as I told. They just replaced a frog by a monkey. I don't know how many of you remember. Some of you have attended my previous YouTube videos and all. In YouTube video also I have shown this example many times with the animation of a frog jumping. Anyone remembering? Some of you are totally new to my classes, I know that. But those who attended my previous session, anyone remember such a question already discussed? And I have told they can ask similar question. They have asked it in this exam. This time many papers had repetition of question. Just changing the names or numbers, they have created question from a same structure that was already there. So try this. Is it clear? Any answers? All of you, please try. Okay, so the meaning of the question is, a monkey covers exactly 10 meter on the ground in each jump. So one jump means 10 meter, another jump means 10 meter. Jump, not crawling like a snake. It is monkey jumping. Jumping means here, if it start, it touches the ground only here. In between, it will not touch. Each jump 10 meter का है. Each jump 10 meter का है. What is the least number of jumps required to reach a distance, not cross a distance? Cross a distance था तो first option would have been the answer, which is not the correct answer here. क्योंकि reach करने के लिए one jump काफी नहीं है. One jump में it is already crossing it. 1 meter is somewhere here na. So cross कर रहा है. That is when the monkey is in the air. For explaining this question, normally I teach students with the example of the flight. You want to go from, say, Bangalore to Delhi. As you know, Bangalore is somewhere south in India and Delhi is north in North India. So you have to travel from here to here. Think that in between, say, which airport? Goa airport. Goa airport, not exactly, but somewhere in between we can say, na, or any other airports. Mumbai also, yeah, Mumbai also you can take. So if you are taking a direct flight from Bangalore to Delhi, can you reach Goa by the same flight? No, you have to take another flight. Na? You may say it may cross Goa. I don't know exactly whether it crosses Goa. Just think a hypothetical situation. The air route is above Goa, but it is not landing on Goa airport. Then will you reach? Or do you think that you can jump from here when you see Goa? Your friend is in Goa. He will shake hands or wave hands. That time you realize, okay, I will jump from the flight to meet your friend. ऐसा possible नहीं है ना? Same thing. That is not possible means this monkey also cannot jump one jump and reach 1 meter away. So one jump impossible. Those of you got one jump, is it clear why one jump is wrong? All of you please comment. This video, as I have told, as it is a demo video in YouTube, you can also see this. So please comment on this video whether you got one jump as the answer and whether you understood whether it is how it is wrong. For one jump, it won't touch the ground, Lobamudra. It will touch the ground only after 10 meter. But we need to reach 1 meter. Na? That is why one jump is not enough. Now you may think one jump enough, nahi hai, two jump will take it more far. Na? 10 meter, one more 10 meter, another 10 meter, another 10 meter. That's why 1 meter is here. So 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, sab galat hai na? Then what is the answer? 2 jump is the answer because this is not how the monkey should jump. Yeah, we are not creating a national highway for the monkey and asking it to jump linearly. The monkey can change its direction. Monkey is in the jungle, na? So monkey ko direction change kar sakta hai. First jump 10 meter aisa jump karo. Second 10 meter angle change karke. Ye angle change karke aisa jump kar sakta hai. So that these 2 points can be 10 meter away. Yeah, the monkey should make a strategy what angle it should jump. वो angle क्या है, that is not our concern. ऐसा एक angle exist करेगा, that is the theory needed here. So this can be 10 meter. 10 meter is not only this. All these are 10 meter. So 2 is the answer. Now I know many of you are confused. If so, this was a repetition of a June 2016 question, which I am repeatedly telling for many years students to understand. ये same question का repetition था. यहाँ पे monkey के जगह frog था, 10 meter के जगह 1 meter था और 1 meter के जगह 0.1 या 10 centimeter था. 2 multiple of 10 we can take. No, not like that, Shashigala. Listen. Look at this. A frog hops. Hops means jumps itself, just like the monkey in the 2025 question. So frog jumps and lands exactly 1 meter away. What is the least number of hops? Hops means jump itself, required to reach a point 10 centimeter away. 1 meter means 100 centimeter. मतलब हर jump 100 centimeter का है, 10 centimeter reach करना है. Compare it with previous question. हर jump 10 meter का है, 1 meter reach करना है. मतलब दोनों केस में 1/10 of the original distance. So look at the frog. I will make you see the frog jump. First jump of 1 meter like this. I hope this will jump. And the frog will reach, yeah, I think, reach here. The proper jump is not working. Some technical issue. Second jump, ऐसा direction change करके. This is the first jump. Don't go further. It should change the direction and jump like this. Yeah, now the frog is jumping. ये angle theta can be 90 degree. Na? Are you understanding? Sorry, can be possible, na? Not 90 degree. It can be using physics cos formula and all. You can find that angle, but you don't have to find it in this question. This is an aptitude question. So ऐसा second jump say this can be 10 centimeter away. This is 110 centimeter. All these are 10 centimeter away point. It's a circle, we can say. Equidistant point from a common point is called circle. Suchita, yeah, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump, all are possible, Suchita. Minimum is 2. Yes. Is it clear? So now compare it with that monkey question. The answer, same itself. 2 jump is the minimum. Yeah, out of the box thinking. That is what CSIR expects from you in these kinds of questions. Out of the box thinking. Is it clear? Please respond. ये clear है या नहीं? बताइए. ये जून 2016 CSIR-NET क्वेश्चन का repetition हुआ Feb 2025 एग्जाम में. And our course is completely aligned with previous year question, pattern identification and discussion of PYQs. Last 14 years का PYQs ये course में discussion होगा. Topic by topic. So that as a bonus, sometimes same question gets repeats like this. Same question means don't say same number didn't get repeated. That don't expect. That happens very rarely. COVID time में एक बार ऐसा भी हुआ था. Same number itself, same dicto same. All questions were from previous years. That was when CSIR was not having time to prepare new questions. But ऐसा repetition हर बार होता है. Maybe 1 question, maybe 2 question, maybe 3 question, maybe 4 question, depending upon your luck. But more than that, PYQs discussion, PYQs का अच्छा practice हुआ तो not only question repetition, concept repetition भी हो सकता है. बहुत बार concept, almost majority of the questions are concept repetition. For example, average speed का concept. इस बार भी repetition हुआ. ये question paper में भी था average speed का question. I will show you that. ये क्लियर है ना? कंप्लीटली क्लियर है ना? ये फ्रॉग वाला क्वेश्चन का रेपिटेशन, मंकी वाला क्वेश्चन. सो दिस क्वेश्चन वाज अ स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम क्वेश्चन. ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई इट. Those of you attended my exam hack video before exam, this question would have been much easier for them. An important hack or tip I tell students before exam, that is very much applicable here. Try करिए ये question, all of you. New students, ये course का structure ऐसा होगा. हर class 1 hour duration का होगा. You can ask your doubts after that. Last 10 minutes you can ask your doubts. And हर week 3 classes होगा. बाकी 3 दिन practice के लिए दिया है. The questions or chapter we are discussing, those 3 topics, 3 chapters, that 3 chapters ka practice worksheets will be given in the same week, and Sunday there will be weekly test. Now we are doing PYQ discussion. Now PYQ discussion this week we will be completing. After that, next week onwards we'll be starting this other topic, number system we'll be discussing. That time weekly test we will be starting. No, Shashikala, you cannot do that. I will explain. Mock test. Mock test will be full length mock test. Mean all topics will be covered. Mixture of all topics. Yes. Topic wise practice worksheets are there, Meenal. Practice worksheets are topic wise, mock test are full length because both perspectives you should get. That is the idea. Okay, listen very carefully. Many of you, I think, misunderstood the question because of information overload, I will say. I always tell to students, CSIR is very notorious to give you dummy data to confuse you. ये क्वेश्चन में भी बहुत सारा डमी डेटा दिया है which are totally irrelevant to our solution. A lady walks 1/10 of the total distance. 1/10 of the total distance means here I think some of you used elimination. That is totally wrong. 14 का 1/10 distance fraction में हो सकता है. Yeah, I use elimination when it is number of people. For example, in a class, 1/10 of the students took biology. So if 14 is the total number of students, 1/10 of 14 is a fraction. So number of students 1.4 होना impossible है. So ये eliminate कर सकता था. That is because that is total number of students. Distance fraction में हो सकता है. Are you understanding? Those of you got 30, why it is wrong? Did you understand? Distance fraction में हो सकता है. Do we say or don't we say we have 3.5 kilometer to the destination? Half kilometer. Half kilometer में distance represent कर सकता है ना? Quarter 3.2 kilometer. Are you understanding? So यहाँ पे 30 is the only multiple of 10. So 14, 16, 24 eliminated. That is wrong. You can't do that. Distance can be in fraction. 1.2 kilometer, 3.5 kilometer, 4.2 kilometer. Yes, sir. Possible. Clear? So that is clear, I guess. So the easiest way is not elimination here. Here, 1/10 of total distance. So total distance is the final unknown. So let x be the total distance. So x by 10 distance 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड में ट्रैवल किया है. 1/6 means total distance का 1/6. So x by 6 distance 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर में 1/5 distance at 6 kilometer. 1/5 means x by 5. X by 5. And covers the remaining. This is the key. बाकी distance 16 किलोमीटर है. मतलब ये सब ऐड किया तो क्या मिलना चाहिए? All of you tell me. ये सब ऐड किया तो क्या मिलना चाहिए? All of you please respond in the chat. Those of you are watching this in YouTube, please comment what should be the total distance, or what should be the sum of all these partitions? X. Exactly, Sujita. It should be total distance itself ना, क्योंकि total distance को ऐसा 4 सेक्शन में डिवाइड किया है. 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड वाला सेक्शन, 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड वाला सेक्शन, 6 किलोमीटर पर आवर स्पीड वाला सेक्शन, 16 किलोमीटर स्पीड वाला सेक्शन. मतलब ये सेक्शन सब ऐड किया तो टोटल डिस्टेंस मिलना चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाई दे हैव यूज्ड द वर्ड रिमाइनिंग. मतलब 4 सेक्शंस ही है. So all these added is x. That means the only equation we need is x by 10 plus x by 6 plus x by 5 plus 16 is equal to x. Linear equation this is. Solve this. You have completed the solution. So solve this. You know how to solve it. Otherwise, in our lecture, I will give you some guidelines how to do it faster and all. Yeah, you have to do LCM, taking like terms to other side. But today, we are not spending more time on that. That we will do topic by topic. Once again, reminding all these questions. This question will be again taken in our speed, distance, time chapter. So don't worry about it. All theory, all techniques I will be teaching you there. So 30 is the LCM. So ये 30x होगा, ये 3x होगा, ये 5x होगा, ये 6x होगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो 30x माइनस 3x 5x 6x ऐड किया तो 14x, दैट इज 16x by 30 मिलेगा, 16x by 30. दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 6 है, 16x by 30 मतलब 1 सेकेंड, थ्री फाइव एट 14, 16x by 30 3 8x x is equal to, did I make a calculation mistake? Let me just check. Okay, 16. Yeah. This is not 6. This is 16. I written it wrong. 16 होना चाहिए. That will make it correct. So 16 and 16 cancels. X is equal to 30 मिलेगा. X is 30. Yeah, 30 is the correct answer. Those of you that got 30, your answer is correct. But if you are used 1/10, that idea, there is a small problem. Again, if you want, you can improvise that idea that 1/10, 1/10, 1/6, 1/5 added should be a natural number because 16 is a remaining natural number. 1/10, 1/6, 1/5 added should be a natural number. 1/10, 1/6, 1/5 separately being natural number is not necessary. 1/10, for example, in the case of 30, 1/10 is 3, 1/6 is 5, 1/5 is 6. ये तीनों ऐड किया तो नेचुरल नंबर मिल रहा है. 14, 16, 24 केस में वो नेचुरल नंबर है या नहीं वो चेक कर सकता है. वो नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है तो एलिमिनेट कर सकता है. डायरेक्टली सेइंग 1/10 is not a natural number does not make sense क्योंकि फ्रैक्शन में भी डिस्टेंस हो सकता है. या 30 is the correct answer. Is it clear all of you? So elimination कर सकता है but with that idea, because total sum should be a natural number as mentioned in the options. So distance and direction chapter mein. Okay, more than that, what I want to emphasize here is what is the role of this kilometer per hour or speed given? No role at all. That speed have nothing to do with. Actually, many students, a mistake is school mein hamara habit hai all the data given in the question will have some relevance. Irrelevant data questions mein rarely aata hai. So the habit is to use all the data. That is why a student who is not confident in aptitude, they will try to fit this data somewhere in the solution. Even if you fit it, you will get a wrong answer. That tendency is there. Unlearning school math or school methods are very important. In this course, I will be making you do that. Don't worry. So anyway, in the speed distance chapter, we'll discuss more about it. So ignoring irrelevant data, that is an important tip I always tell students to understand. So probability ka question bhi tha, and dice problem before exam. One day before exam, I had a most expected question lecture. Usme I told you, please go through dice problems. You may get a question from dice problem, and it got asked in this paper also. So try this. Those of you are watching this in YouTube, if in the exam my sessions helped you in some way, please comment on this video. That is a request that I tell for all educators here. If any educators have helped you in any exam, please let them know, or let through their channels let others also know. That is a small courtesy you can show to any educator, because that will boost the morale of the educator also, and that will help others also to know that okay, ye lecture helpful hoga students ke liye. So that is one return you can do, especially to the educators who give you free classes. I am telling to those who are watching in YouTube also, and my full course students also. After your exam, do let us know if the courses helped you in even a minor way to increase your mark by 5 mark or 10 mark or 15 mark or 20 mark, whatever small way it helped. Because most of the time it is like borderline, 1 mark we are missing or 1 mark we are clearing the exam. So every question, every mark is important. So in a small way also, if my classes are helping you, do let me know through the WhatsApp group, Telegram group. You can post there, or in YouTube itself you can post, under any video you can post, so that I will get the notification that someone commented on this video, and that will be a motivating thing for any educator. Okay, so your question try kariye. इस बार गेट एग्जाम में भी 2-3 पेपर में ऐसा क्वेश्चंस आया था, सेम टाइप क्वेश्चन, डाइस वाला क्वेश्चन. And I think chemical science paper maybe there was a similar question. Not chemical science, I think mathematical science. Okay, some of you got an answer. 2 fair dice are thrown at. What is fair dice, unfair dice, or biased, unbiased? All these things we'll be discussing in probability chapter. So 2 fair dice are thrown at random independently. What is the probability that the average of the values on the upper faces are 4? Dice throwing 2 times, I have told many times, this is a favorite question of CSIR and GATE. Rolling 2 dice. So these are the 36 outcomes that can occur. Rolling 2 dice, coins, and sometimes playing cards. These are common events in probability chapter. So 2 बार dice roll किया तो दोनों में 1, first में 1, second में 2, first में 1, second में 3, ऐसा total 36 outcomes are possible. 6 into 6 fundamental principle of counting use करके 36 outcomes are possible. Probability का basic definition क्या है? Required outcome by total outcome है. Required outcome by total outcome है. So total outcome 36 है, because total 36 things can happen. Now average of the values on the upper face is 4. Average means arithmetic mean. 4 average मिलना चाहिए. Average 4 मिलने के लिए 1 number plus another number by 2 is 4. मतलब the sum of 2 numbers should be 8 for that to happen ना. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो या ये एक हाइब्रिड क्वेश्चन है. प्रोबेबिलिटी और अरिथमेटिक मीन दोनों का कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें इन्वॉल्व है. सो सम ऑफ नंबर्स 8 कब होगा? सम ऑफ नंबर्स 8 होने के लिए आइदर 1 नंबर 2 एंड सेकेंड नंबर 2 and 6 होना पॉसिबल है ना. 2 6 में 8 होगा, 3 5 8 होगा, 4 4 8 होगा, 5 3 8 होगा, 6 2 8 होगा. All of you are understanding this? So these are the 5 ways in which 8 can occur. So required outcome 35, total outcome 36. So 5 by 36 is the answer. 5 by 36 is the answer. Upper face means the face that you see from above, Shashigala. face that you see from above. This is the upper face. Look at this. Because upper face is visible, that is why upper face is mentioned. All clear? Easy question, na? This one I'll come back to. Longer question we'll discuss later because that will take more time in the topics. All these questions will be discussed in the particular topics in this complete course. Now in 1 hour, how many questions we can complete, that we will do, and remaining questions we'll discuss, we'll keep for the topic wise discussion. Try kariye a question and answer it in the comments. What answer you're getting? Shashikala, yeah, these are not very quite difficult. As you haven't attended the full course, it will feel difficult. But many of my students who attended my previous complete course, they told this time exam was super easy. Many comments I got, they got 20 plus marks, 25 plus marks, 30 out of 30. Yeah, you just have started the course now. Now most of the question or some of the question may feel difficult. But more lectures you complete, you will feel more and more questions are becoming easier. So that will happen, don't worry. Okay, so I will explain. How many 5-digit numbers using digits 0 to 9 can be generated such that 1, 2, 3 appears as a string? Matlab 1, 2, 3 is fixed. You cannot change the order of it, but you can change the position of, where the string will belong. 1, 2, 3 internally you cannot arrange. Yeah, internal arrangement, external arrangement are some keywords we will be learning in permutation combination unit. इसमें basically fundamental principle of counting is the theory in this question. I will explain. So 5-digit number means there are 5 blanks now. So 1, 2, 3 together as a string only it should appear. So one possibility is 1, 2, 3 will occupy this position. 1, 2, 3 like this. मतलब वो fixed position है. Only one way this can happen, one way this can happen, one way this can happen if you are fixing 1, 2, 3. But ये दो numbers change कर सकता है. ये दो numbers क्या क्या हो सकता है? 1, 2, 3 गया means 0, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is total 7 possibility remaining. Total 10 possibility tha initially. Lekin 1, 2, 3 are 3 digits. You cannot repeat digits. No repetition allowed. No repetition allowed means 1, 2, 3 के अलावा सिर्फ 7 possibility बचा है here. That means either 0 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 up to 9. Now the number that is used here or the digit that is used here cannot be used here. So 6 possibility only remaining. So 7 into 6, 42 possibilities are there for 1, 2, 3 to be in the beginning of the 5-digit number. Sabko clear hai? Those of you are confused, I will just write some examples. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Sorry, 0, 4. One example. 1, 2, 3, 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 0, 7 up to 1, 2, 3, 0, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Not 1. 1 is not possible. 1 is already taken. 5, 4, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Likewise, there are total 42 possibility. ये 42 possibility समझ में आया ना? 1, 2, 3. Then ये दोनों change करने का possibilities 7 into 6 है 42 possibility. So is it done? No. 1, 2, 3 can change its position. What about 1, 2, 3 is in the middle? This you have to be very careful. The options are not very difficult. क्योंकि options trickier था तो गलत आंसर मिलने का chances increase करेगा. For example, now 1, 2, 3 is fixed, but here what can happen? 7 possibility, here 6 possibility, just like here. Because here you can put what all? Yeah, this you have to be very careful. This is tricky actually. So, can you put 7 possibility here? No, you can't. Because 0 if you put here, वो एक 5-digit number नहीं है. 5-digit number के लिए initial number 0 नहीं होना चाहिए ना. For example, if I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, is it a 5-digit number? No, it's a 4-digit number. मतलब ये position में 0 possible नहीं है, इसलिए 7 possibility नहीं है, सिर्फ 6 possibility है. That is 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. These are the 6 possibility. But here 0 is possible, but the number used here is not possible. So 6 possibility only here. So 6 into 6, 36 possibility for this to happen. 42 possibility here, 36 possibility. Any other possibility? Yeah, 1, 2, 3 can be in the right end. मतलब ये दो numbers क्या possible है? 6 into 6 only, because here 0 is not possible. So 6 into 6 total 36 possibility. Indo कर रहा है fundamental principle of counting के वजह से. So now addition rule of fundamental principle of counting. ये भी चलेगा, ये भी चलेगा, ये भी चलेगा. So total 42 plus 36 plus 36 total outcomes. 42 plus 36 plus 36. Little tricky, I agree. But after teaching you this theory, you will understand this properly. 114 होगा final answer. समझ में आया? All of you, please respond. Exactly, Suchita. Lobamudra, which part? Can you specify the doubt? This is the initial analysis, fundamental principle of counting, anagram problem, number rearrangement problem, permutation combination. ये सारा section learn करने के बाद ये आपको easily understand करेगा. Now I just told what is the solution for this question. The theory behind the solution we haven't discussed yet. I will just generalize once more for those people who have doubt. 1, 2, 3 as a string means 1, 2, 3 xy. Xy means what are the remaining digits? X 1, 2, 3, 5. Y. XY 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I will give you detailed notes as class notes after the topic is completed. So 1, 2, 3 xy, x 1, 2, 3 y, xy 1, 2, 3. These are the three possibility. ये xy के लिए 7 into 6 possibilities है. ये xy के लिए 6 into 6 possibilities only. ये xy के लिए 6 into 6 only. Why here 6 into 6 and here 7 into 6? क्योंकि ये x फर्स्ट डिजिट लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट नहीं है. 5 डिजिट नंबर का लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट 0 नहीं हो सकता, लेकिन ये लेफ्ट मोस्ट डिजिट है, इसलिए 0 नहीं हो सकता वो. दैट इज वाई 6 into 6. So here 42, here 36, here 36. The total number is 42 plus 36 plus 36. That is 114. That is 114. Clear, all of you? Yes, Sujita. First position can't be 0. First position 0 है तो वो गलत है ना. Please write it yourself, then you will understand. Write an example with 0 in the beginning. 0 in the beginning है तो for example 0, 1, 2, 3, 8. Is it a valid 5-digit number? No, it's a 4-digit number. Okay, Shashikala, now clear na? Fine, perfect. We'll discuss 1 or 2 more questions. Again, this is another repetition question. CSIR बहुत बार ऐसा questions पूछा है. कॉफी एंड चिकरी का पर्सपेक्टिव में पूछा है, मिल्क एंड वाटर का पर्सपेक्टिव ही पूछा है, कुकुम्बर एंड वाटरमेलन एंड इट्स वाटर इनसाइड वो पर्सपेक्टिव में पूछा है. सेम क्वेश्चन गॉट रिपीटेड. मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन का क्वेश्चन है. Try it super fast to discuss 2 more questions and complete today's session. Your understanding, please comment on the video. And those of you are new to our classes, you are welcome to be part of our full course. Download our mobile application Christy's Classes or visit our website christysclasses.in to join our course, or contact the number for more information. In the bottom of the screen it is given. Okay, I'll explain these kinds of question. Tabulating the data will give you clarity. 10 liters of milk contain 10% water. Milk means milk is a combination of milk and water. That is what they are assuming by the word milk. So milk, उसमें pure milk भी है, water भी है. PM, pure milk, water. So total 10 liters. 10 liter, if you want, you can convert it into milliliters for avoiding fractions. So 1 liter 1000 milliliter है. So 10 liter 10,000 milliliter है. उसका 10% water means 1000 milliliter water है. Remaining 9000 milliliter pure milk होगा ना, pure milk होगा. How much water should be added to increase its proportion to 20%? Now you may think 10%, 20% करना है तो उतना water. No, that is not the idea. क्योंकि water add किया तो total milk increase होगा. How whatever water you add. 1.25 liter means 1250, 12,500 milliliter. This is 22,500 milliliter in milliliters. This is 20,000 milliliter. This is 30,000 milliliter. ये milliliter conversion important नहीं है. If you feel fractions are confusing, then only do that. So इसका solution ऐसा है. How much water should be added to increase the total proportion? So water add किया तो ये total new milk का quantity increase होगा ना. So what is the new quantity of milk? We don't know. So let us assume let X be the new amount of total milk after water is added. So उसका 20% water होना चाहिए. So 20% of X should be water. What is that 20%? We don't know. That is a challenge. ये X भी unknown है, ये right hand side भी unknown है. So that is why I always tell, don't waste your time on what to find. Find what you don't want. Complement idea, power of negative thinking we teach in our course. Positive thinking is sometimes negative thinking be important. Yeah, not the negative thinking, but motivational speakers speak. Negative thinking means think about the negative, what is not needed. What is needed is water proportion, but what is not needed is pure milk. Pure milk change nahi hoga na, that is the important thing. 9000 milliliter will remain 9000 milliliter क्योंकि आप सिर्फ वाटर ऐड कर रहा है. वाटर ऐड करने से प्योर मिल्क का अमाउंट कम नहीं होगा, ज्यादा भी नहीं होगा, proportion change होगा, but amount will be same. 9000 itself is a pure milk. So 20% water है तो बाकी 80% pure milk होगा ना. 80% of x is equal to 9000. इसको सोल्व किया तो x का वैल्यू मिलेगा. x का वैल्यू मिला तो ये वैल्यू भी इजीली फाइंड कर सकता है. So this is the equation you formed. 80% of x is 9000. that is 80 by 100 x is equal to 9000. इसको simplify करिए, not yeah, इसको simplify किया तो x is equal to 90,000 by 8, 90,000 by 8, that is 1 yeah, you can use virtual calculator because this time virtual calculator was given. So 11250. So 11,250 is the total proportion. So x is 11,250. मतलब 10,000 11,250 हो गया तो 1250 amount of milk is added. Sorry, amount of total is increased. मतलब water का increase उतना ही है. Water का increase 1250 milliliter का है. 1250 milliliter means 1.25 milliliter. 1.25 liter. Are you understanding this? All of you? Yeah, I have added an extra zero. Sorry. This is 1250, 2000, 2250, 3000, not 30,000. So 1250 होगा, that is 1.25 liter. सबको clear है? इसका detailed discussion mixtures and allegation chapter में we will do. This was a question that some people told it is difficult for them, so we'll discuss this. Certs and exponents or percentage दोनों का mixture है. Due to lack of time, I will start explaining. Otherwise, we cannot cover one more question, which is important question was there. Cube root of 0.0125 percentage. First of all, percentage means what? Divided by 100. So let us represent it first. 0.0125. 0.0125. Percentage means by 100. इसका cube root, third root. So मैं न्यूमरेटर को 10,000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा है रूट के अंदर वाला न्यूमरेटर को, सो दैट इट विल शिफ्ट 4 डेसिमल प्लेस टू द लेफ्ट, टू द राइट. डिनोमिनेटर को भी वो सेम 10,000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा ना. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर सेम से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो देयर वोंट बी एनी डिफरेंस. So this became 125, which is a cube of a number, and this will become 2 zeros, 4 zeros. So I will write this 2 plus 4, 6 zeros. So 10 raised to 6 ऐसा लिख सकता है ना. इसका cube root. There you should know certs and exponents. So 125 is 5 cube and 10 raised to 6. Cube root means raised to 1 by 3. So this using certs and exponents, a raised to m raised to n is a raised to m into n. Or you can split it up. So 5 raised to 3 the whole raised to 1 by 3 divided by 10 raised to 6 the whole raised to 1 by 3. A raised to m by b raised to m. A by b the whole raised to m is a raised to m by b raised to m. That is a property we have used. Then we have used the property a raised to m the whole raised to n is a raised to m into n. All these properties we are going to learn in certs and exponents. So this is going to be 5. This is going to be 10 raised to 6 into 1 by 3, that is 10 raised to 2. So 5 by 100, that is 0.05. 1 second. Did I make a mistake? Let me just check whether the original question answer options is like this. Please wait. Yeah, second option is 0.05%. Okay. This is 0.05. The options, there is a mistake when I typed 0.005, 0.05, 0.5, and this is 5%. Sorry. So 0.05, yeah. Now 0.05 in value. 0.05 in value means that is 5 by 100. Na? 5 by 100 is 5%. So 5% would be the correct answer. 5% would be the correct answer. I will just correct the slide now itself so that there is no confusion. 100 into 10,000. Yeah, it should be 100 into 10,000 now, Shashikala. Because numerator I multiplied by 10,000. So I will correct the options. There is a mistake when I typed 5 here. Actually, this question has shortcut method, which I will teach you in the certs and exponents chapter. Now I just told the normal solution of it. So 5% will be the correct answer. Any doubts? I wrote 100 into 10,000 because numerator I multiplied by 10,000. Hello, sorry. Shashikala, I wrote, I'll just write it down once more. Those of you doubt, listen carefully. 0.0125 by 100. This 100 is already there. So this is 4 decimal points after the 4 significant values after the decimal point. Na? So to avoid that decimal point, I'm multiplying this by 10,000 because 4 decimal point to shift it, you have to multiply by 1 followed by 4 zeros. So denominator also you have to do that same thing. Otherwise there is a mistake. Na? So this is 0.0125 into 10,000. That is 125 into 10,000. Now iska cube root. Now this is before cube rooting. I can say this is 125. 1 second. Yeah, after multiplying this 10,000 is not there. So 125 because decimal point I have shifted. So 125 divided by 10 raised to 6. Iska cube root. Iska cube root means raised to 1 by 3. That is 125 raised to 1 by 3, which is 5. You can directly write like that. You don't have to write 5 raised to 3 raised to 1 by 3. Directly also you can say. And 10 raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3. 10 raised to 6 raised to 1 by 3 is what? 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 2 is 100. So 5 by 100, that means 5%. 5%, fourth option. Clear? So that's it. This is a repetition question again. Another question, I think in 2016 the same type question was repeated. Instead of 5 and 4, it was M and N. In general it was asked. So you can try yourself. Remaining questions I will tell you which all chapters they belong to, so that I will tell you when I will be teaching you that in our course. So I will just first show you the schedule of the lectures in this course. These are the topics that we'll be discussing. The order will change according to the batch that you are joining. The batch that have joined now, number system is the first unit for you. Number system ka itna lectures hoga. Then algebra ka itna lectures hoga. Algebra, there are many areas of algebra. Then elementary statistics related topic. Then this is mixtures and allegation, arithmetic mean. Then these are the topics on permutation combination. These 4 lectures, probability 2 lectures, data interpretation ka 3 nahi, we will be increasing that to 5 lectures. Speed, distance, time and work, these 3 lectures. Geometry, all these topics are on geometry. Then clock and time, calendar, general science, all these will be covered. So now each of the question which chapter they belong to, I will tell you. ये ब्लड रिलेशन का क्वेश्चन था. ये सो ये सेम क्वेश्चन पेपर में ब्लड रिलेशन का 2 क्वेश्चंस था. 2 क्वेश्चंस on blood relation. Then this is a miscellaneous reasoning question. As a separate lecture we'll be discussing that kind of questions. Then as I told, this was a repetition of this frog problem already asked earlier. This is permutation, combination and probability. Probability का idea mainly है. This we will be discussing in the probability chapter. Now speed, distance, time and work का question है ये. And probability का another question. So this question paper probability, permutation, combination more important था. ये ज्योमेट्री का क्वेश्चन है, ज्योमेट्री लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेगा. डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन का क्वेश्चन लाइन ग्राफ लेक्चर में डिस्कस करेगा. परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन का अनदर क्वेश्चन. फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फाइंडिंग नंबर रीअरेंजमेंट डिस्कस करेगा. मिक्सचर्स एंड एलिगेशन में ये क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेगा. दिस इज रैंकिंग एंड ऑर्डरिंग, बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. रैंकिंग एंड ऑर्डरिंग का क्वेश्चन. ऐसा अनदर टाइप, ये एवरेज, ये यहाँ पे अरिथमेटिक मीन पूछा था पिछले ईयर में. अनदर ईयर में ज्योमेट्रिक मीन पूछा था, सेम क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ. सो simple question. Then next question, this one, percentage and surds and exponents together. This question surds and exponents का ideas याद चाहिए. और ये एक logical reasoning का miscellaneous question था that we will be discussing. This is number system question, how to simplify I will be teaching you. And this one is a general science question, simple question only. And this one, this is also another repetition question. So बहुत ही simple question है. Volume का question है, 3D shape का volume that we will be discussing. And this is area question, बहुत ही direct question, area of a rhombus that was asked. Never formula sheet, this is also there. And this is dice and cube problem. इसका detailed technique का एक flash card भी create किया है, new flash card. Again, flash cards also will be updating. Earlier 100 flash cards only are there, but as part of this course you will be getting some bonus flash cards. So this was again data interpretation, but some general science understanding also. This is very simple question. Factors का question है, geometric mean का idea भी है. Very fast I will explain. Let x and y be the numbers. Square of geometric mean means geometric mean means multiplying and taking the square root because two numbers are there. इसका square means x into y itself. X into y is equal to 30. That is what the first sentence says. Then smallest possible sum of the two integers. So 30 x into y क्या क्या हो सकता है, फैक्टराइज करो. 30 को फैक्टराइज किया तो 1 into 30 30 है, 2 into 15 30 है, 3 into 10 30 है, 5 into 6 30 है. So smallest number sum के लिए difference between the numbers should be smaller. This we have discussed earlier also. Same concept was asked earlier. So 5 and 6 are the possibility where the sum will be minimum. So 5 plus 6 11 is the answer. So that were the questions in this question paper. Hope all of you understood all the questions we discussed. And if you have doubt on any question, in our detailed lecture in this complete course, we'll be discussing all these questions separately in the lectures. And one more thing, if any of your friends want to join, the Holi offer was till yesterday. We are extending that offer for 3 more days so that more students can be part of this new course. So Holi special offer extended till March 19th. So that you can get 30% off on all our complete course, all our live and recorded course. Okay, Meenal, what will be the duration of this course? Sujita, there will be almost 60 to 70 lectures. So 4 months may live classes complete hoga. So if your subscription is for 4 months, that 4 month will be enough to cover all the live lectures. If your subscription is for 6 months, you can watch that recording again and again also. And 1 year, you will get more time for watching the recording and using the study materials. So yeah, I will suggest you, if possible, go for 6 month subscription new students, because you will get some time for revision and all, and watching the topics that you have confusion on again also. So make use of this special offer, new students who want to get the course at the minimum price. And now is the time for you to start your preparation for CSIR-NET, because you will get hardly 5 months from now as per the present estimate. CSIR एग्जाम अभी जून में नहीं होगा, जुलाई में या अगस्त में या सितंबर में भी हो सकता है. We are hoping the exam to happen as soon as possible. Then only students will get benefit of the joining JRF and all for the next batch at least. So और कोई डाउट है तो पूछ सकता है. Mauli, are you using raise hand feature? एक और बार बता रहा हूँ, raise hand feature is when you want to ask the doubt through the audio. Like Zoom platform में when you see raise hand, that is to ask that there is a doubt. But raise hand here is for asking through the doubt. You are welcome to use raise hand any time, but I'm just clarifying. Mauli, I will add you for asking the doubt through the audio. Hello, Mauli. Am I audible?
हाँ सर, सितंबर में होगा एग्जाम या जुलाई अगस्त में?
जुलाई में अगेन एग्जाम होने का चांसेस कम है, बट मे बी इफ दे वांट दे कैन, क्योंकि इस बार ये क्वेश्चन पेपर और स्कोर कार्ड थोड़ा अर्ली आया था। जून में एग्जाम नहीं होगा, जुलाई में या अगस्त में चांसेस ज्यादा है, अगस्त में होने का चांसेस ज्यादा है। माई प्रेडिक्शन है, दैट डज नॉट मीन सीएसआई विल डिसाइड अकॉर्डिंगली, बट जुलाई में अभी एग्जाम कंडक्ट करने के लिए फर्स्ट दे हैव टू मेक द नोटिफिकेशन फास्ट. So let us wait. If the notification comes next month or something, जुलाई में एग्जाम हो सकता है, नहीं है तो जुलाई में एग्जाम होने का चांसेस कम हो रहा है, बट पॉसिबल है. That's what I can say, Moli. Clear?
ओके सर, यस सर.
Whenever I get any update, I will let you know. Don't worry. We are meeting regularly now, so in the class itself, I will give you updates if I get any updates regarding the exam. What I will
यस सर.
suggest you think that exam जुलाई में ही होगा, accordingly preparation करिए. जुलाई में एग्जाम होगा तो भी you won't be surprised. That way you should prepare. Then extra months mila to that you can use for revision and all.
ओके सर.
Okay, most welcome. So any of you, if you want to use raise hand feature just like Mauli used now, you can use the feature. This is for those people who are watching the live classes. So live complete course का live version के लिए ये raise hand feature, doubt clearing session वो सब involved है, and there's a dedicated WhatsApp group and Telegram group by which you can ask your doubt also. So there are many opportunity for clearing your doubts. So make use of all those opportunity. If you're not part of our group, announcement section में separate link दिया है how to join the group, the link to join the group. So so that is it. Mauli, please ask. If there is any more doubts also, please ask. You can use raise hand also again if you want. 3-party meet. Okay, all the remaining questions we haven't discussed, we will discuss in our lectures, Mauli. Don't worry. All these topics, all these questions will be discussed. 3-party question. Okay, 3-party question means that will be discussed in the permutation combination unit, Mauli. I'll just show you. For 3-party wala question, we'll be discussing that in the permutation combination unit. In this lecture, we'll be discussing that. I'll show you. Permutation combination miscellaneous, ये lecture में उसका discussion होगा. सारा question का discussion होगा. Don't worry. Okay, so there is no other doubts. Let's conclude. Thank you all of you. And those of you who want to join the course, welcome to join the course. And those of you join the course already, let others know about this course. That's a gentle request to all of you. गेट बैच में कोर्स क्या चल रहा है और क्लासेस डे एंड टाइमिंग. अंकिता, लाइव क्लास का टाइमिंग 8:30 to 9:30 AM, मॉर्निंग 8:30 होगा गेट कोर्स का. एंड रिकॉर्डिंग यू कैन वॉच एनी टाइम. हर लाइव क्लास के बाद रिकॉर्डिंग 1 hour में ही अपलोड होगा, सो दैट दोस पीपल हु कैन नॉट अटेंड लाइव क्लास कैन अटेंड द रिकॉर्डिंग. सो that is a live complete course, just like the CSIR-NET complete course. GATE का भी live complete course है अंकिता. In the mobile application you can find. And those of you are part of this live CSIR-NET course, you will get 50% off as a combo offer to join the GATE course. So you can join the 1-year subscription for GATE course at just 1,250 rupees. So that's it. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a good day. See you all on